Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. One of this is the show grid lines button here, so by just one tap we can turn on the camera grid lines. Another tap to turn them off, and as you can see the yellow color suggests us that now they are turned on, and here in the preview we can see them, so this is how they look like. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also, when we tap to the right corner once again and to this button from the bottom, we get access to this kind of settings bar, and here we can pick how our grid lines can look like. So as you can see, by just one tap we can change them to this kind of view or to the spiral from the left or right side. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to tap to the right corner once again and to this button here, and now they have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.